Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a video all about self-care and my favorite ways to practice self-care and my tips. So this is really important, I think, for whether you're in school, if you're working, if you have any type of stress, if you're sick. I think it's just really good to always make time for yourself, do something that's relaxing. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Yeah, it's raining if you could not tell. So if I'm looking down, it's because I wrote down some notes, so yeah. So my first tip would be to have some type of aromatherapy, whether it's an oil diffuser or like a room spray or something. I have my little oil diffuser right there, and I always put lavender in it. I think it's a very calming smell to me. I put it on when I'm having anxiety or like panic attacks, or if I'm having pain. I'll usually put it on in like the nighttime, and it really helps me fall asleep, which is really nice. And I just think it's a really calming and relaxing smell. So my next tip would be to go on a long walk. I like to do these in the summer, springtime, when it's really nice out, you know. I like to listen to podcasts when I do it. I really like Call Her Daddy, which is a really funny podcast. If you're interested, I definitely recommend checking it out. Or I also really like crime podcasts. I think they're just always interesting and really easy to listen to a bunch without even realizing. When I do my walks, I usually do around 2 to 4 miles, depending on how tired I am that day. And I think it's a really good way to clear your head, to get exercise, and it's a great way to get fresh air. And it's also really easy and free, you know. My next tip would be painting your nails. I really like doing this one. I've started doing my nails a lot at home. One, it saves money from like going out and getting manicures, and also it's really relaxing. It's really calming. I'll like set up all my nail stuff, and then I'll just have a TV show playing either on my computer or on my phone, and I kind of don't even pay attention to what I'm doing. I kind of just like let my body do it, and I don't know, it's like a really good way to just relax, let my mind kind of like be free and like not think about anything. So my next tip is kind of an obvious one, I guess, but reading a book. When you find a genre you like or something you're interested in, and you find books on that, it's really nice because you can easily get swallowed into a good book. It's really relaxing. You can sit outside and read, you can lay in bed and read, you can read in the car, read on a plane, anywhere. It's cheap. If you have a Kindle, that's also nice because all your books are in one place. Reading is definitely at the top of my list when it comes to having anxiety and panic attacks, because you kind of just have your mind somewhere else. You're not really focusing on what's going on in your body. You're more focused on the words in the book you're reading and the story, which I think is really nice. And my final tip is also an obvious one, but have a spa day for yourself. So I do these a lot, kind of like maybe once a week or as often as I can. I just think it's really relaxing. I'll usually do like a face mask and then like teeth whitening strips. And like while it's drying, you just lay in bed and watch Netflix or Hulu or something, or you can read a book. It's really relaxing, it's refreshing, it's cleansing, obviously. You're taking care of your body by, you know, cleaning it, and then also just letting yourself relax. I think that spa days are definitely one of the most relaxing things. I think face masks always feel really good. They're usually really cool. And teeth whitening, I don't know, I like when my teeth look white. They're not that white right now. That's definitely the top of my list. Spa days are definitely my favorite thing that I do, so if you guys have the chance, I definitely recommend grabbing a face mask and just relaxing. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and let me know if you practice any self-care, and be sure to subscribe, like, and comment on this video, and I'll see you guys next time.